Hello everyone and welcome back to the Druid's Den. I just wanted to show y'all where we're at right now with the 12 by 24 tiny home. For starters, let's just kind of take a look at where we last left off. Just got the cabinets put in here and the windowsill's finished. The air conditioning is put in the window here. I got it all sealed on there. And we've got this partition wall here that we added. Got the top of it put on and stained. Otherwise, just some painting and everything in here. We've got this bathroom vanity I need to put together. And here's a look at where the shower is going to be. And then on this side is where the toilet will be. So we're just going to finish up some painting in here. And we'll get started on something new. So here's some of the new stuff we're going to be working on. I've got the countertop here. We've also got the flooring here. We went with just a like a peel and stick vinyl, something cheap and easy. So we're going to use that. But for starters, let's begin with the countertop here. Probably one of the last incredibly heavy things I have to move on my own, so I'm thankful for that. So yeah, just need to get this measured and cut real quick. Sorry if you can hear the rain and thunder in the background. It's just a rainy day today, but I really wanted to get this video put out for y'all, so. So here's the counter in place. I'm still gonna have to measure and cut the sink in here. But before we start on that, I'm gonna go ahead and stain the cabinets. Alright, let's take a look at the house so far. We went ahead and got that vanity put in. Also got the mirror put up. And here's a look at the cabinets and countertop put in. And now it's time to start on the floor. I've not used this type before. I was originally going to use the same at my house, but that I used at my house, but it's a little bit cheaper this type, or honestly it's a lot cheaper, so we decided to save some money and do this. But yeah, so far so good. It's been pretty easy to put together and easy to cut with scissors and everything for weird cuts that you might have to make. So yeah, I was pretty happy with it overall. And honestly, I'm impressed with how well it sticks. I was having to go through pretty regularly and fix imperfections in the ground, like put a screw in a little deeper, pull a staple out, or scrape up some of the mud, and then sweep it off just to make sure that it would adhere well. But yeah, the adhesive was pretty good in here. It stuck very nicely. Alright, and here's a look at the kitchen and living room with the floor finished. Just need to add some trim around the base of it to hide that ugly bit, but overall it looks great. And it only took me, I'd say, I don't know, a few hours really to put the floor in, so a pretty simple job. So in the next video I'll probably finish up this bathroom and shower here. And put the floor in there too, so you've got to look forward to next week. Alright, well thanks for watching everyone. I should have a video on the bathroom hopefully next week. We can finish that up and then we'll get the from start to finish video out as soon as I can. I'm working on it for sure, and sorry if I was a little hard to hear on this one. It's coming down pretty hard. I don't know if you can tell or not, but yeah, it's really coming down, so sorry about that. Alright, thanks. Bye.